Holistic health is about caring for your whole being. This includes your body, mind, and spirit. It's a way to achieve optimal well-being by creating balance in your life. Holistic health recognizes the interconnectedness of all aspects of yourself. When one area is out of balance, it can affect everything else. Imagine a garden. To thrive, it needs sunlight, water, and fertile soil. Similarly, your well-being depends on nourishing every part of yourself. This includes eating nutritious food, managing stress, and cultivating positive emotions. Holistic health empowers you to take charge of your health. Rather than just treating symptoms, it focuses on finding the root causes of imbalance. By addressing these underlying issues, you can experience lasting well-being. For centuries, people have relied on the healing power of plants. Herbal remedies offer a natural approach to supporting health. Herbs contain powerful compounds that can address various ailments. For example, chamomile tea can soothe an upset stomach and promote relaxation. Ginger is another versatile herb known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help with nausea, muscle soreness, and even menstrual cramps. Peppermint is a refreshing herb that can aid digestion and relieve headaches. Its cooling sensation can also ease skin irritations. Lavender, with its calming aroma, is renowned for its ability to reduce anxiety and improve sleep. These are just a few examples of the many herbs that can enhance your well-being. Essential oils are concentrated extracts derived from plants. They capture the plant's aroma and therapeutic properties. These potent oils can be used aromatically, topically, and sometimes internally. Lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing effects, can be added to a diffuser or bath to promote sleep. Tea tree oil, with its antiseptic properties, can be applied topically to minor cuts and skin infections. Eucalyptus oil, known for its decongestant properties, can be used in a diffuser or chest rub to relieve congestion. Peppermint oil can be applied to the temples to alleviate headaches. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil before topical application. Consult a qualified aromatherapist for guidance on internal use. Alternative medicine offers diverse approaches to healing that complement conventional medicine. Acupuncture, an ancient Chinese practice, involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate energy flow. It can help with pain management, stress reduction, and overall well-being. Massage therapy uses touch to manipulate muscles and soft tissues. It can relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. Yoga, an ancient Indian practice, combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It enhances flexibility, strength, balance, and mental clarity. These are just a few examples of the many alternative healing practices that can support your holistic health journey. Section 5. Supporting wellness with natural supplements. Natural supplements can bridge nutritional gaps and support overall well-being. They are derived from natural sources, such as plants, minerals, and vitamins. Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is beneficial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, which is essential for overall immunity. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle relaxation, sleep regulation, and stress reduction. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate supplements for your needs. Section 6. Practical holistic health tips for daily living. Incorporate these simple yet powerful tips into your daily routine to enhance your holistic well-being. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to hydrate your body and stimulate digestion. Practice mindfulness by paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This could involve focusing on your breath, the sensations in your body, or the sounds around you. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, dancing, or yoga, to strengthen your body and boost your mood. Prioritize sleep by aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. Cultivate gratitude by reflecting on the things you are thankful for each day. Section 7. The mind-body connection. Integrating holistic practices. Holistic health emphasizes the connection between your mind and body. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can profoundly impact your physical health. Stress, for instance, can manifest as headaches, digestive issues, or muscle tension. By managing stress through practices like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature, you can positively influence your physical well-being. Similarly, cultivating positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love can strengthen your immune system and promote healing. Holistic practices empower you to become more aware of this mind-body connection and take proactive steps to foster harmony within yourself. Section 8. Listening to your body. The key to holistic health. Your body has an innate wisdom. It constantly communicates its needs through various signals. Learn to pay attention to these subtle cues. Are you feeling fatigued, experiencing digestive discomfort, or noticing changes in your sleep patterns? These are all signs that your body is trying to tell you something. Rather than ignoring these signals, embrace them as opportunities to restore balance. Perhaps you need more rest, a change in diet, or time for stress-reducing activities. By listening to your body's wisdom, you can make choices that support your overall well-being. Section 9. Embracing holistic health for a vibrant life. Embracing a holistic approach to health is an ongoing journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about making conscious choices that nurture your mind, body, and spirit. By integrating natural remedies, alternative healing practices, and mindful living, you can create a life filled with vitality, balance, and joy. Remember that you are unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Explore different practices, experiment, and discover what resonates best with you. Trust your intuition and consult with qualified practitioners to guide you on your holistic health path. As you embark on this transformative journey, you'll find that true well-being is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of vibrant health that encompasses every aspect of your being.